Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. You guys are wondering what happened to me. You guys gonna see what happened. It's so bad. I was following a tutorial and it looked so bad, but look, it's gonna be recycled because it's horrible. But today we're gonna review Boxycharm. Here we go again with another Boxycharm unboxing. So stay tuned to see. Wasn't expecting a box. I thought we were gonna get a box with this whole coronavirus thing. Crazy, very crazy. Well, if this is the first time you ever see my face, never see me, don't forget to subscribe, turn notification bell to get more updates when I get a new video. Follow me on social media. Here are the links down below. Don't make fun of my look. It's so bad. Look at this, it's so bad. But I mean, nobody is born with the talent, so we could just kind of need to, practice. So it was the first time I wanted to do a cut crease, and it came out horrible. But you guys can see the whole video next time. Well, let's open the box, and of course we're back to the car. About time. I think it's been like $3 that I haven't got it. So it shows you everything that it is here. And this box theme, it's festival vibes. So here you go. It's so pretty. I love the background. And it gives you like a misguided cute clothes wearer, but misguided. Never heard of that place. So here it tells you everything that I got. So we have the Benefit Cosmetics for Professional Primer. This is value $32. First time trying this, I'm very excited. And then we have the Elements Superfood Sika Calm Glazing Foam. This is actually like I picked it because I was tired of the other ones. I didn't want the palettes, so I got this, the Sika Elements Superfood. So excited to try this. And then we have the Iconic London Illuminator. And then we have the Lavish Piece here, Lavish 5-piece collection, which is $30. The Iconic London is $41. The LMS is $32. And last but not least, we have the Makeup Eraser, which is $22. So I already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add my giveaway, which is gonna be these two items. These two items are going to be going to the giveaway. I'm not really excited to try them. And I'm like, yeah, I have too many brushes and stuff. So these two items are going to be going to the giveaway. So let's see. So Luxy, we have looks. I'm thinking of going for looks, but I don't know. I'm thinking about it. I'm very thinking about it. And then we have Boxy Pop-Up. It's going to be open on Tuesday, May 2. I'm so excited for that. The last items that I got, you guys saw the last video. It was so cool. And so this time I'm thinking about getting it again, so I'm very excited. So as I mentioned, we have here the Makeup Eraser. Never tried it, but I'm not really like I prefer to wash my face, and I'm like using towels are not really a thing for me. So I'll be adding this one to my giveaway. As you guys know, I have a big giveaway when I turn 2K, so it's taking forever, so I'm gonna keep adding items until I hit that. So that item's gonna be going to the giveaway. And then also we have this pretty brushes. I can get them out. So here you go. Those are the pretty brushes that we're gonna be also adding. They're pretty. They're from Lavish. Never heard of that brand, but I'll be adding that to my giveaway to the two items. Now we have here this Elements Superfood Sika Calming foam, and always been excited to try something from LMS. That's a foam. I have some makeup right here, so let's see how it does. Oh, nice. Okay, so then gonna rub it. Gonna have a little bit more. Oh, some eyeshadow in it. And look how nice it cleaned it, and it smells amazing. It smells really good. And look how clean it left my palm. Look at that. It left it really clean. So I'm very excited to try that. It's gonna be one of my go-to every morning and night. And here we have the iconic London illuminator. Let's see how nice this product is. Ooh, it looks like gold. Wow, that's nice. Look at that. That's very, very nice. At first, when I applied it, like it looked goldish. I imagine how it would look like, you know, mixing it in on my face. Like I bet you it's gonna be really, really beautiful. And last but not least, we have the Pore Professional. We have here the Pore Professional from Benefit. I always wanted to try this primer, and I'm very, very excited to get it because I always wanted it, but I thought paying $2 for a primer was really too much for me, so I skipped it all the times that I thought I wanted to purchase it. But I was like, I know, no, it's too expensive. I don't want to get it. Maybe I'll get the sample size, but the sample size was still expensive. But I can tell how good this primer is because damn, it smells really good. But it goes in really, really smooth, and I pretty much can't wait to put it on makeup because, you know, you guys know I love primers. So something like this will be really gonna step up my, you know, foundation game. So hopefully that will be it. And Benefit is actually, Benefit Cosmetic is not cruelty free, as I'm checking right here. Right there, it says everything. It lasts for 12 months, but cruelty free is not on here, so that's pretty sad because, you know, I'm trying to, like, you know, do more like cruelty free products, and this is not cruelty free. Now let's check Elemis. Elemis is not cruelty free either. Iconic London is not cruelty free. I'm not sure if this one's a cruelty free, but the only item that's cruelty free from this box is actually this. It mentions that it's cruelty free. To me, it's very important that items that I put on my face are cruelty free, because it kind of feels like I see all these whole things on videos about, you know, companies testing on animals. That's horrible, really bad and sad. So the only item on this is this one, which is cruelty free. The rest is pretty sad. It's not cruelty free, and I don't know if I should keep using items that are cruelty free, but it's kind of important to mention that the things that are not and are cruelty free. And so there you go, there's my unboxing. I know I'm very, very late. Today is the 29th of April, and I mentioned I'm very, very busy. I mean, I'm still working. Me and my husband are still working, but it's like been non-stop. Sometimes I get home very tired, so I know it took forever to do this review, and I know it sucked, but I mean, I'm still did it. Yay! So thank you guys so much for watching my late unboxing. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe down below, follow me on social media. We have WordPress, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. I do some videos on TikTok, so let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching.